Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Summer is here and today we are unboxing the cutest kids swimwear ever from First Cry. And if your kids love beach day, pool fun and water park, then you have to see this adorable sea life themed swimsuit. Okay, let's open it together. First impression, wow, the color is so bright and fresh, and look at this adorable ocean print. We have got cute sea life element all over the swimsuit, and honestly it gives total beach vacation vibes. And this is the sleeveless top, and here the matching bottom, super cute and comfy looking. The fabric feels really soft and smooth. It's lightweight, stretchable and looks perfect for active kids who love running around and splashing in water. Sometimes kids swimwear can feel uncomfortable or too tight, but it material actually feels breathable and gentle on the skin. And see this stretch, that means better comfortable and movement for kids while swimming or playing. Another thing I really liked is that the stitching looks neat and clean. That's super important because kids move a lot while playing. The sleeveless design is honestly perfect for summer because it keeps kids cool and comfortable, and this bright blue shade is so eye-catching. The fit looks really nice and comfortable, not too loose and not too tight, just perfect for pool days and vacations. I also loved it. It looks style while still being practical for kids. And this swimsuit would be amazing for beach vacations, pool party, water park, summer trips and cute vacation photos. Honestly, it's one of those outfits that looks super adorable in picture too. So overall, I really like this swimsuit from First Cry, and cute sea life print, soft stretchable fabric and comfortable fit, perfect summer vibes. Definitely a great pick for kids this summer. So guys, tell me in the comment, would your little ones wear this adorable swimsuit? And if you love this unbox, don't forget to like, save and share this video for more kids fashion and summer finds. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, then the link is in the description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, thank you for watching my video.